Today in this video, let's learn how we can sign up for Lloyds bank account online. So first thing first, launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in Lloyds sign up. Then you will see open a current account online. Click onto it. Then you will get landed onto its official website. Here, scroll below, and under your products, you will see various account types like Classic, Club Lloyds, Lloyds Premium. If you would like to see more, you can click on this arrow here, and it will show you all the description of a bank account. In my case, I would like to open a Classic account, which is £0 monthly free. So let's go ahead, click on Classic, but you may go ahead, choose any account according to your preference. Click on Ready to Apply here, and you can either scan this code from your phone and continue the process from there, or simply click on this Apply for Account on our website. Wait for this to get loaded in your PC. Click on Continue here, and then under Are you existing Lloyds bank customer, click on No or Yes according to your preference. And under here, I'm going to click on Yes. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt and give information like your sort ID, account number, and is this going to be your main account, yes or no. And once you fill out all this information, you will be able to sign up using this website right here. So thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.